Uh-oh. We playing? We playing? Good puppies. What do you think, Raven? You say hi? You're soaked, Moose. You hopping on the box? Good boy. Thanks for the love. They love you guys. Yeah, you're a good boy, Moose. You look so happy up on the wood box. Where are you going? You're a good girl, Raven. Well, Moose is catching raindrops. You gonna catch raindrops, Moose? You're a good boy. Raven's digging. She's getting deep. What do you think, Moose? You gonna watch? Good boy. Hey, thanks for the flying hearts. I see flying hearts and smiley faces. Thanks for the love, everybody. Everybody hit that thumbs up for us. Right, Moose? Where are you going? They saw birds at the bird feeder. Had to go investigate. Yeah, they love to dig. Especially when it gets hot out in the summer. They dig holes and lay down in the cool dirt. They don't dig as much when it's snowy back here. Just when it's dirt. See, here goes Raven, back to digging. That hole is getting deep. She's tunneling. Hey, it's River Raven. Thanks for joining us. We've got a rainy day here in Vermont. Look at how deep their hole's getting. They're gonna tunnel. They are expert diggers. Moose, you're gonna go all the way under?